Hey, welcome Bigfoot's Cave. So I did a short not long ago on a Massey Harris about the Massey Harris Ferguson merger tractor wrench. Uh, I couldn't leave it as it was. I had to tinker with it. So I had to clean it up, do what I was going to do with it. I like how it came out. And obviously, since I'm doing the intro after the fact, I realized I didn't do the intro to it. So, do you want to hang out and see what I did? Let's check it out. Well, I screwed up. Sorry, everybody. I was bouncing around doing multiple things. I forgot to turn my mic back on. So I got a whole lot of this, zero sound. But this is my first time playing with this stuff. So I'm gonna see how it fares. So far, I think I'm gonna like how it's gonna come out. So, yep, I screwed this video all up with no audio. Getting ready to go to the Apple Festival this weekend. Had to get tickets. Had to let the dogs out. Had to get something to eat. And then I completely forgot about the mic. Well, everybody knows my next step. At least if you've watched my stuff before. Everybody knows that I end up putting oil on it after I do it. Oops, sorry about the earthquake. We'll let that sit for a bit. And give it a little wipe down, and we'll check to see if my crazy idea worked. Hey, welcome back. So apparently, I did not properly feed my squirrels the proper amount of coffee, so they promptly took off and ran away. Which is why half of my video, or most of my video, I don't know yet, has no audio. So, Shazam. Excuse me. So that little Massey Harris tractor wrench now looks like this. Got a little spot in there I gotta do something with. Didn't matter what I did to it, just didn't take. But it's okay. For the most part, rag. I think look come out pretty good. Gotta get a little dust and dirt on it so it's not so shiny, but I think that old tractor wrench came out really nice. Everybody have a good day. Be safe. Good luck in the hunt.